Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today we are making mutton keema patties. Crispy on the outside, but incredibly soft on the inside. We are taking a zesty mutton keema, coating it in seasoned mashed potatoes, and giving it that signature egg-dipped golden crust. Let's get started. Ingredients are as follows. Mutton keema, onions, potatoes, pudina or mint leaves, red chili powder, garam masala, eggs. Let's start with preparing mutton keema filling. Add some oil to the pan. Some nicely chopped onions. Add salt to taste. Add turmeric. Add ginger garlic paste. Add red chili powder. Add minced meat keema. Here I am using water-dried keema. Add garam masala. Half a lime juice. Cook until mutton is soft. Look at that color. That's exactly what you want for a deep, savory patties. Now let's take boiled potatoes and mash them until soft. Add some salt to taste in your mashed potatoes. Time to bring it all together. Take a small ball of potato. Flatten it in your palm. And add a generous spoonful of our cooled mutton filling. Gently fold the edges over to seal it up. If the potato sticks to your hands, a little drop of oil on your palms goes a long way. Look at that, perfectly round and ready for the egg bath. Once your patties are shaped, it's time for the golden finish. We are dipping each one into whisked eggs. This creates that iconic, thin, crispy layer that protects the soft potato inside. Make sure it's fully coated. From the egg, they go straight into the hot pan for that signature sizzle. And there you have it, perfectly fried mutton patties. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious snacks. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Now, I'm diving in while they're still hot. See you in the next one.